All right, so we're going to be doing an updo, but a French twist, which is the classic all time periods. And the best way to do a French twist or any updo is set the hair in the front. Okay, like this one has more of the vintage. We set our hair, we did a side curl, pinned it, and we pinned this on this side, secured it with pins. Now the top part's important. We kind of want to bring anything in its halo area or the top and updo back later. So we're just going to take this and we're just going to keep it on this side. And we're going to take this part. Now, depending on how much hair you have, the client has, is how much you need to secure it. If she has a lot of hair, we are going to smooth this out, especially have a design or something you like right here. We're going to smooth this out and cross pin it. Now, anytime you do this, you want to make sure it's going to go tighter to maybe more of a looser, and you could always loosen it up later. So right in the middle, we're going to secure our pins. We have one up, and we're always, when you do pins, you want to do crisscross. So we're going to go up one way, up another way. I'm going to turn this a little bit for you. Okay, so kind of like an X crisscross, securing each pin, going up. All right, I'll do one more. The higher the better. That way it gets rid of all the weight. So now I have this whole side secure. So I don't have to worry about that. If I want, I could come out and I could pull this out a little bit. If I want more volume, you could always pull it out later. Okay, so just make sure this is really secure. Now I have this side. Same thing, you want to look at the weight and the balance. Now she has a lot of hair up here, so you don't usually want something that has like a lot going on down here. So this is very classic. It's something for weddings, anytime someone wants even short hair, because you could get that short hair up and get it up out of the way and have the fullness up here. So it creates that long, kind of elegant effect. Okay, so now I'm going to take this side and I'm going to twist it in. Now she doesn't have that much hair right here. You could back comb it, but she has a lot of hair. Plus I'm going to take my fingers and I'm just going to twist. And wherever my finger is where that pin's going to go. So my finger in there. Place the pin in there. And you guys can make it shorter, longer. So look and see where you want it. If you want it more full, you're just gonna bring it out a little bit more. You're gonna take the pin, not on the outside, but a little bit, probably about 1/4 of an inch, and you're gonna keep securing it. Same thing from the bottom. Going up. Now, anytime you have something and it's a lot, it's really heavy, we're gonna do a secure where it's at least 4 or 5 pins. That's gonna secure the weight of the hair. If you're like client, they have a lot of hair and it's starting to fall, you're gonna do like 4 or 5 pins. It's really gonna hold that hair in. Okay. So it's the same thing now that all our hair is up. Like I said, you could even do this with short hair. It's nice because you could slick this back and then slick this side. And then everybody, even with short hair, has volume on the top. So now that we have this, we can make this as full as we want. We could also take this, the top part. Okay. We could separate it and we could create a design coming in to the back. So we could do braids, we could do different textures, we could do more curls, we could do this to where if you want more volume up, you could pin this. And then she's gonna have a curl and more volume going up that way, okay? So very simple, but you have to learn your foundation. You have to set the hair. The hair in the front is very, very important. So look at your client's hair. If you want it to the side, set it going to the side. If she has bangs or anything, make sure that is done first. Make sure also there's a balance. So she has a lot here. You want to create the other side so it doesn't look like she's side heavy going to the side. Okay. Yep. You're welcome. Is that good? So that's a French twist. Yay.